Like that? Yeehaw, baby! That's the 3 out of 6 for you guys. Bye!
Bro, you was at 30 seconds, bro. You would have been so dead. You would have been so dead. This would have been hard. Oh, wow. One in each neck, bro. Put it where you can reach down, grab it.
Talk to the people.
So guys, today I'm gonna be shooting the revolver, the 22 Magnum. There we go. And let's see. Hit it, hit! Oh.
Ready? Go.
Do you have some misfires?
No, only one actually. Powder just low. Just hit low. So, should I shoot it? Try it again? Okay, my bin is dead. Oh, Ryder, your turn. What? Ryder, shoot the revolver. Fine. Right, doesn't kick.
One shell. Reload.
I can hardly feel my toes. Oh, my toes are so
1.66.
cold.
Woo! That could have been faster. If I had foamed, that could have been faster. 1.66. Come on now, go.
Talk to your peoples, man. Let them know what you're doing.
It's my turn to shoot the 22 Magnum and yeah.
In there. And then you can hold that second one wherever you want. Alright?
How many shots are you shooting?
6.
You think you're going to get them all on target?
Yeah.
Nice. Slowest reloader in the West, but the quickest draw in the West, I tell you. I feel like you just speed shooting. You're not aiming.
I can hardly feel my toes. It's so cold I can hardly feel my toes.
All right, guys. What do you think? We ready to wrap it up?
All
All right. Bye.
Bye.